Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm coming to you with a short credenza styling as part of the open collaboration Independence Day, hosted by Debbie Cabasa and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both their channels will be in my description box below. So here I've styled my credenza with a beautiful red, white, and blue runner. Then I've come in with my wood tier tray, which I got from Home Goods some time ago. I've completed the look with some red, white, and blue DIYs, which I created as part of another collaboration, and I will leave the link to that video in my description box below. So please make sure you stop by our host channels and show them some love and let them know that Amethyst sent you. And visit the playlist for some awesome 4th of July Independence Day inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video gives you inspiration. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you again for watching today, and until next time.